From her early days as a model to film stardom and beyond, Grace Kelly is regarded as the epitome of elegance. She could look chic in the simplest of outfits. Her minimal classic style put her in the spotlight wherever she appeared. Grace was credited with saying, "I think it's important to see the person first and their clothes afterwards." Whatever the occasion demanded, be it formal or casual, Grace Kelly had a repertoire of scarf styles to draw on. This video is a recreation of some of those styles and my acknowledgement to her enduring legacy. This style we begin to see more after her marriage, a style of a woman empowered. As it's evident from the pictures, Grace Kelly neck scarf never had complicated knots. They were always simple, easy to wear, and looked incredibly elegant. Grace Kelly wore scarves in movies as well as in real life. In 1953, she starred in her third film Magambo with Ava Gardner. I noticed the same headscarf in the pictures with Alfred Hitchcock. Was it her own scarf or did the studio gift it to her? Maybe we will never know. This improvised sling, made using a Hermes scarf, is d'Adjuvant Monaco, and we see this in other occasions. I think it was one of her favorite scarves. She had at least 2 in different colors. And we must be eternally thankful to Grace for allowing us to pretend, if only for a moment, that we too may look like a famous movie star with a back-tie headscarf and sunglasses. I found that this style is sadly forgotten. Personally, I'm going to wear it more often. Have you noticed how Grace Kelly usually wore her headscarf with the large, beautiful ends? We can recreate this by folding the scarf like this. Also, we can often see her hiding the ends, tucking them inside her coat. On the picture of her with the ends tied back, I noticed that one of the ends is longer than usual. We can recreate it by shifting the scarf to one side and tie the ends behind. We will have one long, beautiful trailing end. I'd like to thank the viewer for the idea of this video and the friend for all his help and all those beautiful, beautiful pictures. Thank you.